Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got part 29 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We're going to be continuing with our left shoulder that we started yesterday. So these are the parts we get. All our assembly pages. We have done this before, but for the right shoulder. This Sci-Fi Cinema Legends is a film called Evolution. Very funny film. Real World Science is redesigned the DNA and what's coming up in next week's issue. Let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we've got our parts out of our packaging. We've got this metal piece here, we've got 4 screws, and we've got this piece on a sprue. So let's get cracking straight into it. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to cut this piece and this piece off the sprue. So let's get some cutters and cut these off. One. First one. And the second one. So they're the only ones we need for now. So let's move this to the side. So what we're going to do is we're going to take in this piece, we're going to be applying some glue. So we are going to need a little bit of glue for this issue. I'm going to get some glue. I'm going to be putting some glue down the front of this piece here, just on this middle bit here. I've already got some glue in a little reservoir. I've got my cocktail stick. So let's apply some glue just down the centre here. Nice big helping all the way down, just like that. Then we're going to be pushing that just on there, just like that. So that's that bit done. Now we're going to need to bring in this part that we had last week. So this is going to be going at the top here. No, sorry, at the top here. So this is going to slot in. Oh, I've got a little burr just on there. Let me just take that off. Just like that. Yeah, so I had a little burr just on the corner here. Yeah, so we're going to want to go just on this top bit here. This is just going to slide in just like that. But you can put a bit of glue in this one. This one is quite tight, so I'm not too fussed with this one. I'm going to put just a little dollop just around the edge, just down here and down here. Let's slide this in just like that. Now it wants us to cut the rest of these off the sprue, so let's get that done now. So we've got all of these lovely parts on here. I think there's going to be all sorts of pistons and tubes and stuff coming off of these eventually, so I think it'll look rather detailed when it's finished. Okay, so that's them all off the sprue. Just make sure I haven't got any burrs. Little one on that one. Just tidy them up a little, make sure they're fine. There's one. Yeah, they're fine. Okay, so we've got this like this. Now we're going to be moving on. We're going to need this one here. This one's going to be going in this one, just like that. They are quite snug, but I am going to apply glue because it does tell you in the magazine. Apply a little bit of glue if needed. Just like that. Now let's get this in. This one's going just in there, just like that. Now we'll go into the bottom here. This one's going to be the short one of these. You've got a long one and a short one. The longer one's going to be used later, so we want the shorter one. This is going to be going this way. So again, let's get a bit of glue just on the back here. And just here. Let's put that in. Just like that. Next one is this one. This can only go in one way. If you try to put it the other way, it won't fit. So you can only put it in one way, so you can't really go wrong. This one's going to be going that way, so we want the big glue just here. Just around all the edges at the back. Let's slide that one in, just like that. Now the last one is this one. This one's going to be going just in this slot here. Just slide in there. I don't want them to wobble, that's why I'm gluing them, because I want them to stay firm. They do go in rather nice and sit rather snug, but I'm just in case. Alright, so let's put the last one in. It just goes just in here, just like that. That's that bit done. Next we're going to be bringing in our spring that we got in the last issue. Make sure this is lined up the way it wanted it. Get our spring. It's going to be going just in the centre here. We're going to be bringing in this part, and this is going to want to face that way this time. So we can push that down. We've got our screw holes. We've got our screws down here. Let's get our first screw. Just in here goes the first one. And the next one. And the very last screw at the end of this issue goes in here. Just like that. And that is what you end it with after this issue. And again, we've got our push fit connection. Just like that. So yeah, so we've got our left shoulder and a right shoulder. You can see they're coming together nicely. So we want to have that round. Yeah, so it's coming along really nicely. And next week we're going to be adding some more details until it's like this, I think. So let's have a look, see what's coming up next week, which I hope will come on Wednesday. We're going to be having extend the left shoulder, so we're going to be putting this piece that we've got on our right shoulder, we'll be putting that on, and this piece here that we've got here, we're going to be putting that on here. So join me then. Hopefully it's out on Wednesday and they deliver it to the newsagents on time. Thank you all for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.